Hey there! In this video, we're bringing you a recipe for a healthier cake choice, crafted without wheat flour, gluten, or dairy, and it's super easy to make. This cake isn't just delicious, it's also a blast. Do you know why? The chocolate bar placed right in the middle of the mold, it melts in the oven, and when you cut that first piece, surprise, a sauce flows out like molten lava. That's hard to resist. Let's move on to the ingredients. 1 cup tea of oat flour, 1/2 cup tea of almond flour or shredded coconut, 5 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, 1/2 ripe banana, can be frozen, replaces egg, 1 cup of plant-based milk, like almond milk, rice milk, or coconut milk, 10 drops of natural vanilla extract, optional, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 bars, 100 g each, of chocolate, preferably 70%. Instructions. Using a blender, blend together the oat and almond flour, sugar, cocoa, and a pinch of salt. Blend briefly and then incorporate the banana, milk, and optional vanilla. Continue blending briefly to combine the ingredients, then add the baking powder. Transfer the batter to an oiled and cocoa powder dusted 20 centimeters diameter mold. Stack the chocolate bars, break them in half if necessary, and place them in the middle of the mold with the batter. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 20 minutes. If you prefer, distribute the batter and chocolate in cupcake molds and bake for about 15 minutes. The yield is 1 small cake or 6 cupcakes. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Remember to enjoy your food to stay happy and healthy. See you next time!